Okay, if you saw my video of me looking for a bench, look. It's my bench. Raven. Just soaring above us. Yapping away. Kind of like me in all of its irony. I love how the trees here, I don't know what they're called, but they basically like go all the way up and then all of a sudden they have all the leaves. I feel like most of the leaves or trees that I see in Central Park have branches that break out like super early. But do you hear all these birds? Like, how lucky are we? We get to see and experience more birds. Like, do you hear that? Oh, there's a swift of some sort. I gotta get out my binoculars, y'all. I didn't even get them out. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna set you right there. And we're gonna get out my binoculars and look at what swift we're seeing. Because I saw on eBird that there is a violet green swift in the area. And it could be that. However, it was white on its underhalf. So I just need to see it a little bit closer. See if it's what I am imagining. Okay. But I am hearing chestnut-backed chickadees. So that's one win. If it's not the violet green, either way, it's a bird, so we can experience it. Here we go. Here's a bird fluttering. Our first bird with binoculars for the day. Uh-oh, there's a kite up in that tree. Right now we're hearing a mix of a few different birds. So there are house sparrows in the mix. I mentioned chestnut-backed chick. Oh, here we go. Hummingbird. Give it a second to identify. Let's look at it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh my God, it's up in the air. Of course. I don't know what it's doing. It's like indecisive about where it wants to go. So there are two types of hummingbirds that I saw on eBird here. It was an Allen's hummingbird and there was one other one. Allen's hummingbird and oh my gosh, Anna's hummingbird. So you never know. Maybe I'll just sit here. White crowned sparrows too. I'm not sure if I said white crowned sparrows already, but that was the bird that I was thinking of earlier. I just couldn't recall their name. I was sitting the other day and I just saw like a bunch of them land here in this park. This is actually Alamo Park. For those of you that live in San Francisco or are traveling to San Francisco, maybe it's a good place to check out. The hummingbird returned. They move so fast. I'm not sure if it's a bug. I know some hummingbirds eat bugs, but it's kind of behaving as if it is eating a bug because it keeps flying up and then swooping down, kind of similar to like what I would see like a barn swallow if they were like going up and then down straight into like a pod of flies, for example. Interesting.